And now it looks like we're going to be having fights. There they are with their little Christmas presents. Ooh. Wait for it, wait for it. Christmas morning. I'll have to go in a minute because I've got to get ready. Is the fight ending? He's just walking out the room. Let's start again. And don't play fighting, they do this all the time. Just play fighting. Oh no, he's just chilling. He's just laying down and chilling. Just chilling with the blanket. Okay. Well, I think I'll leave that for now. Okay.